you know.
So, we've been for a trip round Amble, and a young lady called Maureen Leslie said she saw us in Amble.
And I missed you, Maureen. I'm sorry.
Hang on. There we are. And she when she said she'd seen us by the ice cream shop. And Barbara said that at that point in time, I was walking with John and she was with you, and she heard a lady say, that lady in the purple top. She was pointing to the lady in the purple top. But her granddaughter was pulling her into the ice cream shop, which is a good place to pull her into, isn't it?
That's the very, very best place.
So I'm saying to Barbara, how does she know I've got a purple top on? And she says, well, because you had your gilet on with my purple top. So that's how. Anyway, tell them what you're doing. Tell them what you're doing.
Slow.
What are you doing? You and John.
Me and my best buddy John are cooking a New Year's Eve meal, which is basically salmon. It has got a name. I'll tell you its name. I'm following an American recipe, as it turns out, and it's called 629. Gosh. It's called, where's it gone? It's called roasted salmon with crispy curry butter sauce and a cucumber and yoghurt dip.
Sounds rather nice, doesn't it?
And because we're English, we're adding boiled potatoes.
So, is this it?
Well, this is the salmon.
This is the salmon
coated with the curry paste, and then now what we were supposed to do. What we're supposed to do is we were supposed to use curry leaves.
Right.
Right. Will you try and get a curry leaf from an English supermarket?
Yeah, they don't have curry leaves.
You can't. So,
especially not in a little harbour town called Amble.
So we're going for coriander leaves.
Yeah.
Partly because it sounds a bit like curry. Coriander.
Coriander.
So we're going and they're mixed with garlic.
Have a look at that.
They're mixed with garlic.
Oh, they're nice, that.
And ginger. Yeah. And then we're going to kind of sprinkle this across the top. Like so. And then it's going to go in the oven for a short time. I'll spread that out a bit.
And you'll have to tell me when it comes out when it's ready, so I can film it.
That's right.
Right.
So there we go.
And that's going in the oven.
And that's it. It's got garlic in there and ginger.
And what's so special about this oven, John?
John, come on, you're on film.
What's so special about this oven that they're gonna put it into?
The special thing is it's the first time
it's ever been used. They've only been here for how long? A good 6 or 7 months, and they've never used the oven yet.
And we don't know how to use it.
They don't know how to use it. So I said, just pretend you're in one of these holiday places, and you've got to work it out. So, and how long has it got to go in the oven for?
I don't know yet.
You don't know. All right.
I'm just prepping it.
Right. Well, we'll come back when you're all done. And when John's fathomed out the oven.
Oh my God.
Meanwhile, we ladies will sit in here and chill.
In front of the fire.
In front of the fire, the lovely fire. And look at the Christmas tree. A nice Christmas tree. There we go. And look at those lights. You can't see them, but they're lights up the staircase. Doesn't show on here, but there are lights there. There you go. Barbara's garlic
£5
press.
from Morrison's.
£5 from Morrison's. You put the garlic in the bottom and then twist it.
Oh no, you might need that.
A knife. A big knife.
Oh, this is a new one. So put the garlic inside and then twist it like
turn.
Do it a turn again.
I don't know if it can go any further. No, it doesn't go any
No,
further.
she's done it all.
Give me a smaller knife and I can twist that one. Please, thank you.
Oh, it's got little teeth on it, yeah? Yeah, excellent. Excellent. Looking good. Olive oil over there.
Depends on which one you use.
No, so they are. 2 of them.
Yeah.
In there. There are, sir. What's the thing? Heat the oil in the no-stick fry pan, add curry paste and cook, stirring constantly for 1 minute. There we go. So there's the curry paste. So,
Enough time. Put it on.
Oh, these are potatoes as well.
What am I doing with this paste? Now I'm stirring this paste.
Quick, quick, quick! Panic, panic, panic!
I'm stirring this paste.
yes.
We've got a glass of beer. What are you having, John?
Guinness.
A Guinness. A Guinness.
Guinness.
A black Guinness.
To be sure, we've got to be jabers.
We got to be Javis. And we're having. We've brought. These are all leftovers from Christmas. So we shall. I want to film him eating the lemon. Because I said, how do you tackle a lemon, right? How do you tackle a lemon?
Or napkins. What the posh Susans are using. Napkins. And a paper ones with penguins on. Or cloth ones.
It's rather sharp, is it? A bit sharp, yeah.
It's hot.
So we have this salmon with. Describe it.
It's a salmon with a
Coriander.
Yes, it's coriander, ginger, and garlic. The salmon is pasted with a chicken curry sauce or paste, and then it's sprinkled with the coriander, ginger, and garlic, and then it's cooked.
Right, and then we have chickpeas. What have we done with the chickpeas?
Chickpeas have been roasted and crisped.
Oh, that's going to be interesting.
Yes.
And then this is.
This is a radish, cucumber, garlic,
Yogurt.
and
Greek
yogurt. Side salad.
Right. Oh. So I said, what's that brown thing? And what did you say?
I said we didn't have a clue what it was, so we put it on anyway.
I think it's a pepper, isn't it? A pepper or some
I think
sort?
it's a chilli.
A chilli, right. I thought it was a pepper or a chilli. And we're finishing off with a bowl of fruit, fresh fruit, strawberries, which look orange here, and he likes to put his meringue first. I like mine to be last. And normally we have raw yogurt. We're having a treat today. We're having ice cream. Woo-hoo-hoo! And I'm putting my meringue on last. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Barbara. Happy New Year, John.
Happy New Year! There's a song that goes.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
We're drinking beer, or is it wine?
We're not long and going to bed as well at this rate.
It will be a long time going to bed now.
God, they're going berserk in mine, mouse.
Let's just shut the gates.
That's coming from Ellington, that. That's it.
Frighten the gates. Set them off.
Frighten the birds. Oh, bless them.
A rocket outside.
When these gales came on, I wondered where the birds went to.
You're not the same.
Are you waiting for dinner, sweetheart? January 2nd, and we've been cooking again a Sunday roast because it's a Sunday, yeah. So we've got the chicken, the potatoes, the veg
with cheese sauce.
The what's this one? Stuffing, honeyed vegetables, and Yorkshire puddings and gravy.
And wine.
And wine.